Hi guys, I am Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you unboxing of my new Polaroid camera from FUJIFILMs, and this one is a special edition. This one is a Minion edition and I got this as a Rakhi gift from my brother. I feel this is the cutest Polaroid cameras ever, and the model number is INSTAX Mini 8, although there's a newer version as well available in the market. So my brother ordered this from Amazon, and once you open the box you can see the camera, and on the other side is the clothing of the Minion. So the camera is yellow in color, obviously, because it's the Minion edition, and on the back there are two of the Minions drawn. One of them is the camera and the other one is a Minion. The color on the lens is similar to the goggle of a Minion, gray and black. It looks like Minion eye. On the back we can see one of the Minion getting suspicious about our camera. We can spot another Minion on the top, and then on the lens there are a few specifications given. This side I believe is where we will put the batteries. The cartridges are not included with the box, so my brother went ahead and bought it separately. One box includes 2 cartridges, and one cartridge contains 10 sheets, so you get 20 sheets in total. So this is how the cartridge looks like, and it's got this yellow thing. So this is where you need to place it, like behind the camera. You have to match yellow with yellow. On the left side there is the button which opens the lens. We can see a few effects just above the lens. On the back you can see the viewfinder on the right side. Once you place the batteries you can see the red light. That means the camera is ready to use. On the right hand side you have the button which clicks the picture. First click will not be a picture, it will be opening to the cartridge. I wanted my mom's picture to be the first ever click from my new camera, because that wasn't possible with my DSLR camera, because I stay very far away from my parents. So I wanted to grab this opportunity and I took my mom's picture. You really need to make sure of the settings, the framing and the light conditions before clicking the picture. After the click, picture instantly comes out and it comes out blank, so you need to shake it a little bit and wait for the colors to come out. In the end, it's about creating happiness and memories. I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.